In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track what you owe vendors, accounts payable, and balances. QuickBooks Online Tutorial. If you want a quick way to confirm how much your business currently owes to vendors, QuickBooks Online makes it simple. Accounts payable is the ledger that tracks every unpaid bill and payment to vendors, and the open balance is the total you still owe right now. Keeping an eye on this number helps you plan cash flow, avoid late fees, and make sure your books reflect reality. Start by signing in to your QuickBooks Online company. At the top right of the screen, click the gear icon. This is your settings hub, and it's where you'll find the tools for managing your company's lists and financial setup. From the menu that appears, select Chart of Accounts. This list is the backbone of your bookkeeping. It contains every account that organizes your transactions. On the Chart of Accounts page, look through the list for the Accounts Payable account. It may appear as Accounts Payable or Accounts Payable, AP, depending on your setup, but it serves the same purpose. In this row, you'll see an Open Balance column. That open balance is the running total of what you owe across all vendors at this moment. When you enter bills, the balance goes up. When you record bill payments or vendor credits, it goes down. If the number looks higher or lower than expected, it's a signal to review recent bills or payments for accuracy. To see a detailed view of everything that has affected accounts payable, click View Register next to that account. The register is a chronological list of the transactions that impact what you owe. Bills appear as increases, bill payments appear as decreases, and vendor credits show as adjustments that reduce the amount owed. You'll see useful columns such as date, vendor, reference number, and amounts, along with a running balance so you can follow how each entry changes the total over time. Use this view to understand the story behind your payables. For example, you might notice a spike when several bills were entered at once, followed by a decrease when payments were recorded. If something looks off, common causes include duplicate bills, payments applied to the wrong bill, or vendor credits not yet applied. The register helps you spot those patterns quickly. And that's all there is to it. Click the gear icon, choose Chart of Accounts, find Accounts Payable to see the open balance, and select View Register for the full transaction history. With these steps, you'll always know exactly what you owe and why.